Hi, you're welcome back to our channel today. In this video, I'll be running through how you can create Facebook Reels from your Facebook page dashboard. Now, I believe you can create a Facebook Reel. So, two things. Recently, Facebook pages are now separated from accounts. So, you can move in between Facebook pages and operate as the page. So, whenever you post, your name does not come up as the person who is making the post. Your name comes up as the page. So, you are now acting as the page on Facebook. So, see page. Now you can just work on this and then post whatever you need to post. So let's go back to my gardening page and I'll show you how you can create a reel on Facebook pages. So yes, you are now acting as a garden diary on Facebook. So yes, so I am now acting as a page and I'm going to create a reel from my Facebook page now. So let's click on this. We'll click on reels. Then we come to add a video. Let's say this is the video we want to add. That is the video. Video is uploading to video and edit the video as you see fit. You can do that here. But unless that, okay, keep editing. We move to the next. We add our a detail, more like a description to our reels. We select if we would like for it to be public or yes. So generally the reels you would want them to be public, and then you can either decide if you would like others to remix your reels or not. So you can either turn that on or off. I'll be leaving it on. And then if you'd like to promote this reel and get sale, maybe promote it to viewers, either get sales if it is a product reel, or if it is a reel that is meant to just promote your Facebook page, you can boost your reels straight from this place. As soon as you're done with that, you hit on publish and your reels are getting published on Facebook. So that is one way to create reels on Facebook. You can do it through via this means. Now, I recently realized that if you are trying to post reels on Facebook and you are not the owner of the page, then you might find it a bit hard to post reels on Facebook. So you have two ways to post your reels. You can use this to post your reels, or you can just come to the home page and then click this to post reels on Facebook. And then there's also a way to post your reels from either the business suite or the professional dashboard. I believe that should be the business suite. So from inside your business suite, you can also post a reel. So there are like three different ways to post reels on Facebook. They almost always follow the same. So this is it, create reel. So they almost always follow the same processes, and that is it. And interestingly, in the business suite, you can create reels in bulk, which is also a new feature that is pretty interesting. So thank you. I think that's all I wanted to share with you. I'll see you in the next video.